Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are testing 2019 Citroen Berlingo, which came in with DPF problems and Adblue problems. Now the problems has been solved. We are doing a test drive with the owner driver. So what can you say about your van? How was it before and how is it driving now?
Oh, it is so much better. I'm well pleased. It just pulls away better, accelerates better.
No engine light?
No engine light, obviously. That's gone. So yeah, I'm well pleased.
Yeah,
and happy.
Would you say it is more quick to responsive?
Oh yeah. And the response is a lot quicker. It's a lot.
I'm gonna ask you something. Can you see from the rear view mirror if there's a black or white smoke when we are driving?
No smoke.
No smoke.
No.
And your car drives good.
Oh yeah, very good.
Thank you. Another happy customer from SupremeDPFCleaning.com. We are located in Westerham, Kent. You can reach us with your DPF, Adblue, EGR, NOx, black or white smoke issues, power loss, and high fuel consumption. We are also content tuning ECU programming center, and we are also auto ghost immobilizer fitting centers, ghost immobilizer, auto watch systems. You can reach us on 07-533 636 194, and we are here to help you. Thank you.